Manténlo así, con tu jab del agua.
1-0, 1-0.
No te le quedes parado.
Ito po, nakikita nyo ang corner ni Barrera. Ang kanyang trainer ay ang kanyang kapatid na si Jorge Barrera Jr. Nawala yung original na trainer niya for the last 18 years.
Tama yun, no? A change of cornerman as far as Marco Antonio Barrera. Ang trabaho siya, worked out in Guadalajara. But in the first round, Manny, kasama natin of course, Vice Governor Manny Piñol, as we take a look at Pacquiao's corner. Yung kombinasyon ni Manny, yun ang pumapasok.
Yes,
nakita natin
ni Manny yung
1-2.
sakatan.
At well, nakakagulat din yung strategy ni Barrera. Instead of trying to stick close to Manny Pacquiao or at least fighting from a distance, he's standing his ground. Iniintay niyang pumasok si Manny, kuma-counter si Barrera.
Kung nakita niyo yung slow-mo na yun, at tumama kay Barrera kaya may konting pamumula. Yung ilong ay ang kaliwa ni Manny. Second round.
Magandang kulay ni Manny Pacquiao. There goes Barrera with the right.
Nakita mo si Barrera nangingilag.
Hindi ito yung laban ni Barrera against Rocky Juarez. Against Juarez, he was pumping that left jab. Hindi pa natin masyado nakikita yung left jab ni Barrera.
Good left combination. Right and left combination by Manny Pacquiao.
Pero kumounter si Barrera ng isa. Hindi ko alam kung ininda dito si Manny Pacquiao. Yung kaliwa ni Barrera. Barrera faking with an upper. Manny penetrating the defense of Barrera.
Pero walang pumasok doon sa mga suntok ni Manny.
Manny going to the midsection every time he has an opportunity. Nakita nyo, dumudukot doon sa may bandang kaliwang tagiliran. Itong si Marco Antonio Barrera.
A flicker of a left jab coming
Barrera
from
goes to
Barrera.
the body and connects.
Yes. Yun ang kanyang Sunday punch na tinatawag, no? With shot to the liver.
And Barrera counters with a 1-2 to the body of Manny Pacquiao.
Hindi pa nakukuha ni Manny Pacquiao ang range niya sa round na ito. Medyo tumatalon pa siya.
Pero kita mo, kinakasa na. Nung tukayo mo, yung kanyang kaliwa. Iniintay lang yung pagkakataon para bitawan muli ang kaliwa. He fakes with a jab and goes to the body again, Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, gumagalaw-galaw na si Barrera. Trying to circle Manny Pacquiao.
Hindi pa rin nakikita, but good job ni Manny Pacquiao. Using the right, Barrera connects to the body of Manny Pacquiao. Manny connects with the
Left combination by Manny.
Barrera coming back, however.
Ganda ng countering ng Barrera.
Oo.
Pasensyoso. Hindi nagigigil. Ayan, ganda ng countering.
Barrera now throwing a stiff left jab.
And Manny Pacquiao gets tagged with that left jab. Again, he gets tagged. Dancing upper right ni Barrera. Barrera hits Manny Pacquiao with a double right. Yan po ang ating alaksan moment.
Manny Pacquiao trying to come back. Siyang tinamaan kanina in that brief exchange.
Importante hindi manggigil si Manny Pacquiao.
Ang sabi nila, Barrera becomes a very dangerous fighter when his back is against the wall.
And mukhang totoo nga yun, Kinito, yung sinasabi ng mga tao.
Galing siya sa talo against Juan Manuel Marquez.
Saka masyadong matalino itong si Marco Antonio Barrera.
A good left by Manny.
And Manny now starting to work.
Hindi maabutan ni Manny. Si Barrera. Barrera's fighting very well defensively.
And in the furious exchange, another alaksan moment in round number 2. What an exchange to end round number 2.